I deserve a life of luxury and comfort.
Vanessa, please do not do this to us.
Marcus is waiting for me outside right now.
You are really leaving both of us behind?
Move out of my way, Adrian, right now! You will always be a broke loser to me.
Mummy, are you really going away now?
It is just you and me now, Leo. I will always protect you, no matter what.
Why did Mommy leave us here alone?
It's gonna be all right, little one. We're together.
Was I a bad boy today, Daddy?
No, Leo. You weren't a bad boy. No, my sweet boy. Never believe that. I will build a better life for us. I must finish this software for our future. Just one more hour, and I keep going. I cannot stop until it is truly perfect. Welcome to your real life, my queen. This place is huge and unbelievably beautiful.
This is exactly what I deserve in life. I escaped that miserable apartment at last. I made the perfect choice for myself.
We have to share this food together.
Thank you, Leo. My son is truly an angel to me. I swear I will change our lives someday. Leo must always stay warm through the night. Everything will be fine for us very soon. This is the final code at last. This system can change everything for our future. It is launched. It is finally launched. They are buying it for $10 million.
Daddy, why are you crying like that now?
No, my boy. These are happy tears.
Papa.
We are going to be rich together now. Goodbye, old home. You served us well. Welcome to our new home, Leo.
The cars look so tiny from up here.
You can have anything you dream of now. $10 million was only the beginning for us.
Marcus only cares about business all day.
Do not touch my suit ever again.
You are annoying me more every day. Take your cheap things and get out now.
You are really throwing me away too? I lost my family for a man who hates me. I have nowhere to go after this. This soup tastes absolutely terrible tonight.
Tonight, we celebrate our new life together.
This is the best day ever, Daddy.
I know, Leo.
The whole world knows his name now.
Adrian is a billionaire now? That money was supposed to be mine. I am still his legal wife, after all. Let me through these doors right now.
You cannot enter without proper permission here.
That man inside is still my husband.
Make sure the contracts are signed by noon.
Adrian, my handsome husband, I missed you.
Why are you here in my office now?
I missed you and Leo so much.
You threw us away like garbage that night.
I am Leo's real mother, Adrian.
Now you only want my money, Vanessa.
You cannot ignore me like this forever.
Nobody can hurt us now, my son.
I know, Papa.
Please help me. My rich ex-husband took my son.
She is trying to turn the world against me.
Daddy, why are you angry right now?
You did nothing bad at all, Leo. I will protect you forever, my boy.
Your Honor, he left me with nothing. I just want my baby back with me.
Keep talking, Vanessa. Dig your own grave.
This proves he is a monster to everyone.
Your Honor, we present the real security footage.
And what does this footage prove, Counsel? That video is fake and completely false. Enough. I have heard enough from you. Adrian, please tell them to stop this.
It is over between us forever now.
No, you can't mean that. Think of what we had.
I have. It wasn't real.
The child stays with Adrian from today. I am the mother. The money is mine.
It is finally over for us now. We are safe now, my little boy.
Are we free now, Daddy? Forever?
We are, little one. We are free forever. We can go anywhere we want now. I know you are, son.
Wow. I love the mountains, Dad. We are building the biggest fire ever tonight.
Yes, we are, and it looks beautiful.
There are so many stars above us.
I love you to the stars and back. They tried to take everything from me, but a father's love cannot be broken.